That's a really ugly, nasty chair. Put it like here or something. That's a really nasty chair. Now I need to get 2 more, and the spare tire stays in there, and we'll be good. So yeah. Alright, well I can't forget about this thing. I don't own the Osmo, so can't forget about this bad boy. Gotta clean this up. Don't forget about the Gorilla Pod, the trusty Gorilla Pod. How crooked it's all beat up because we've been using it a lot. But yeah, maybe I'll buy an Osmo or something later. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Noah to get here. I'm chilling in my driveway. I'm not mounted yet. I'm just waiting for Noah to get here. He'll probably ride behind me. He's on the street. And yeah. Alright guys, I mounted up. I mounted up really uncomfortably actually. I had to mount the Gorilla Pod on the mirror and slant my mirror the old-fashioned way. If anybody wants to send me a suction cup mount for a phone, I'd highly appreciate it. Like really, I'd appreciate it if you sent me one, if anyone would. But if not, you know, it's cool. Ain't no biggie. But yeah, I'm mounted like up on my mirror, and it looks pretty weird. But yeah, it's raining really bad here, and I'm gonna hit you guys with a time lapse when I leave and stuff. But yeah. Everybody, it's your boy Jake here with the gang, Stang Gang. I'm gonna make that a hashtag JPGStang on Instagram. Submit your photos, and I will like them and share them around. And yeah, so we got the gang. So look, this 197. We got Christopher. I'm gonna say it on Christopher. So you guys know. I say it on Christopher. Got Greg over there chilling. Greg's chilling, and we're just waiting to finish washing their car. The 5.0. We're waiting to finish the 5.0 and we're ready. And oh yeah, and I forgot to say we got Noah with us too. Noah's in front of us right there. Noah's chilling right there. The 5.0, the other 5.0. And yeah. Why do I keep on finding out? It's pretty hilarious. But yeah, we're gonna go to Hooters. My hair's all messed up. Quick, yeah. But as soon as we're done washing, we're going to Hooters and we are out. So I'll see you guys in the next shot.
Those 8 speeds are insane.
Greg,
I will after it's clean.
you're slow. It's caught on video. Jerry, is Greg slow? We're catching this on video. Greg, you're slow.
That thing's for rose for hats. I tried putting clothes, but it...
Got Jerry.
Yeah, Greg left on time. I think punch the water.
Got Miguel. We got tall Miguel. He's actually like he's like 7 foot. Nah, he's like 6.
Oh, you can't cuss. I forgot. We're gonna get demonetized.
I'm not even monetized.
Alright, there you go, dude.
I get demonetized in 4 days. It's cool.
That's enough time.
With the new rules, you know. We got Chris over here.
Yeah.
Lambo Chris.
Lambo Chris.
Lambo Chris.
The on the sheet.
everybody. Oh, my car's clicking. My car has a clicking sound. If you guys hear it, I'm about to leave for Christopher, and there's a clicking sound. Oh my god. Okay, I'm about to go get something to eat with Christopher and Noah. So we're gonna go to Sonic. So yeah, and then I guess that's it for the day. I guess yeah. So I'll catch you guys in a Can I have a supersonic bacon cheeseburger with no lettuce and no onions?
It doesn't come with onions.
Oh, okay, then no lettuce.
Okay, french fries, tater tots on your rings.
Tater tots, please.
For the drink?
A Coca-Cola.
Okay, else for your order?
And that'll be it.
Is this probably as well? Yeah, sure.
Thank you. 8:65. I gotta mute the radio. It's 8:65. Not bad. Got Noah. Me and Stang Gang. They're like all next to me. Noah and Chris. Yeah, we're just chilling. What's going on, everybody? We're back in the JPGStang production room of the studio. The gaming room, because you guys know I do gaming too. The post is going off. Yeah, we're back home from the showing time. Hung out with my friends. It's pretty cool. I mean, this vlog isn't long. I'm trying to get used to vlogging professionally with others, and I can't really, like, I have an iPhone, guys. Everything you guys see is done with an iPhone, right? But yeah, I'm trying to vlog professionally, so yeah, I'm trying to get used to it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be a beast day. Let's just say there's another island cruise that's going to happen tomorrow. So, yeah. Peace, guys.